Hello and welcome. My name is Musa Sani Ango, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your designs from one Canva account to the other in 5 quick and easy steps. So, step one, all what you do is make sure you are in the account in which you want to copy the designs from. So, I am already in the account I want to copy my designs from. This is my old Edu account, which was uh, downgraded to personal account after Canva have made some upgrades some months back. So after you log into the old account or the account in which you want to copy your designs from, you will go to your projects. You go to your projects. Then I've clicked on my projects. It is loading. Okay. Let's see. Let me use this design. This Muslimas hijab. Let me use it. This Muslimat hijab. You can go. What you do here is choose the design in which you want to copy. So me, I want to copy this, the Muslimat hijab Wattpad book cover. Then I'll click on it. You see, open with Chrome. Yes, just once. It is loading. Let's wait for it. It is loading. The network is somehow poor. I don't know what. So it has finished loading. The second step is you will click on this share button, share icon. Sorry, don't know why the network is fluctuating. You click on this share icon here. So let me click on it. Then it is loading. So now there's after you have clicked on the share icon, you click. Can you see invite template link view only? Then you click on template link. Can you see template link here? You click on it. I'll click on template link. This is a template link. Anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of the design. So anyone with this link can use the template and edit it. So you click on copy, then you copy. It has copied. Then you go back. So now the third step is you will log out of this account and log into the new account in which you want to uh, copy this design to. Maybe it is an Edu account or a Pro account. For my own case, it is an Edu account. So I'll go to the menu and log into the other account in which I want to paste or copy this design in. So this is Techie Scholars Team 1. No, I want to paste it in Techie Scholars Class 1. So open with Google Chrome, yes, just once. It is loading. So now the fourth step is after you have logged into the account in which you want to paste the design in, then you go to your address bar, web address bar. This is it, where you see canva.com. Let me show you. This is your address bar. In case you don't know, then you click on it. Then you see anything there will disappear. Then you long press on it and paste the link you copied. Can you see? Then you click on the link. It is loading. So can you see a template created by Ango Boy 1 was shared with you. Start designing now. So the fifth and last step is you click on use template. It has finished loading. So can you see, let me click on this hijab. You see, I can edit it. You can edit it. Can you see hijab? You see, let me leave it so, and then you edit it, you do all what you want with it. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button, share for your friends and families, those anyone you know who will be in need of this video, kindly share it to him. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button in order not to miss out in the next video or future videos I will be making on Canva tips. And click on the notification button in order to be notified whenever I release new video. Thank you for watching.